everybody, it's Maryanne. I'm back. How are you guys doing? Merry Christmas. It's is also my birthday on Merry Christmas time, so sharing that because one of my birthday presents from my son was a little makeup kit that he purchased from his sister. So just so you know, his sister is not my daughter, so she doesn't even know me. So there it is, and this is the result. I don't know what you think. The comment below. Let me know what you think about it. I haven't worn makeup in a long time. Went to work it. Occasionally, if I felt like putting on makeup, I put it on. That's just how I roll. Occasionally, I do it on a whim if I feel like lifting myself up a bit. Anyway, so I'm opening it up and I'm trying it on, and I'm going to let you know what I thought about the items. Now, filming was a little difficult for me because I usually film how-tos, so the way it's set up is way different. So I kept checking to see if I was getting it right. So I had to do a lot of editing, and I'll do a voiceover. Hopefully it works. I'd love your feedback. I'd love to know how your holidays went. Hopefully you're all doing so well. I'm looking forward to this coming year. I'm going to start doing my videos again. I hope you'll join me. If you're interested and want to know more about this makeup, just comment and let me know. I didn't investigate it only because I didn't know. It's not something I normally do. But if you're interested, I will look into it for you and get you more information. All right, onward. Let's see how this goes. So happy birthday to me, isn't it? Such a cute bag. Anyway, here we go. I'm going to show you each one of the items. This is how how it came, I should say. That's the name Pharmacy. I'm not sure. Anyway. This little card was in there. It was really cute. And those are all the items. Now this is blush. I show you the items and then I start to put them on. I didn't know how to do it. That was really nice. Lip conditioner. Ooh, I like that. And then there was the another gloss that I used too. So this was just like just a conditioner. It didn't really give, like a chapstick almost. Excuse me. Lip ink liner. I used to use a pencil. Yeah, but the coloring was perfect. Dark brown. I can't remember what this is. I'm doing great, aren't I? Oh, maybe it's the lip gloss. Yeah, it's kind of funky. What can I tell you? I don't do makeup videos. And I have no lips. So I'm trying a different angle here. And this was eyeshadow type thing. Really not much of a color, which is nice. You don't need much of a color, just I guess it gives you a little glossiness or something. You'll see. I'll look into you can hardly tell. It's not even. At one point, I was like, did I just put the gloss on my eyelid? I had to look at the product again. There is now. I did use a moisturizer. I'm going to put on the eyeliner. This should be fun. I do half of my face here just to try everything out so you could see it. See, I have to keep checking to see if I'm in camera. Oh my God, it's ridiculous. Anyway, so I use it's a very light moisturizer sunscreen that I use for every day. There's no tint in it, although I do have CC cream, which is tinted sunscreen. And, occasionally I'll put that on. Depends on what's going down. I don't normally wear foundation. It's almost ridiculous to do that. Although the CC does hide my age spots, the spots you get from the sun. So I don't normally wear very much of any of that, at least not now. Even the sunscreen, I'm very light on the sunscreen because we sweat out here in Arizona, and one of the things that is problematic is that the the sweat brings the sunscreen into your eyes, and oh my god, it just burns terrible. It's horrible. Okay, so obviously, if I would look up at the camera, you could see how it looks. Oh, now I'm putting on the blush, and I'm just using my fingertips. I'm always afraid that I'm gonna, ever see the little old ladies that do the blush and it has little round cheeks? When I was growing up, that's what I remember, and I was so afraid of. So I'm always blending my face in for fear of having little red apples. So there you go, one side. And then I found that there was mascara in there. Look at that too. Oh my god. So I'm going to try the mascara. I should have brought my eyelash curler out because as you get older, your eyelashes are straightened. It's kind of weird. So the eyelash curler really does help turn them. It doesn't last very long, but at least prior to putting on your mascara, it's helpful. So um, I'm just having a little bit of a hard time doing that. So there, uh, brush was nice. It wasn't gloppy, although it might look like it's gloppy now, only because I'm trying to get my lashes to curl up. So there you go. And you can see a slight difference, especially in my eyes. With mascara, it's always that way. So I decide to do all at once although I do clip it because of my staring off into, did I get that right? um, the liner, and then the mascara, eyeshadow, and the blush. And it's very quick. It really is really quick to put this on. The hardest part, I think, is doing the liner. I like a very thin line, almost like a shadow, rather than eyeliner. But hey, I'm working with what I was given just to try it out. I I think the liner does help define, especially when you get older. You start to look like your features are erasing. I swear to God, it feels that way. Um, I remember we worked for a spa that made us wear gray um, suits, the whatever they call them, scrubs. And with my gray hair, here we go. Hopefully that's a better. And I'm really kind of particular about the eyeliner. I don't like skips. I don't like it too thick. I'm a fuss budget that way. Anyway, so this place I worked for made us wear scrubs, and they were gray. And with my gray hair, and my coloring is, awkward, pale yellow. I don't know, yellow, white, gray. I kind of faded into the background. I remember we did publicity photos. I swear to God, I looked like a ghost that was coming out of the wall. It was horrible. But that's why I guess, wearing makeup at my age is probably a good thing, just to define the features and make you look like you're awake. That's why I think sometimes wearing makeup puts, a smile on your face because you feel, oh my God, I feel like a human again. And just for fun sometimes, I think it's good to do it, just to try. Although with makeup, you've got to be careful. You don't hang on to makeup over a year. In 6 months, if you use mascara, that's every 3 months that should get changed out. You're probably thinking, why the heck should we believe you? Well, I was a licensed cosmetologist for few years, and yeah, so I know that stuff. And it's just when you use mascara opens it up and the air gets in, it starts to dry out. So after about 3 months, you have to get a new one. Yes, if you pump it, it puts air into it and dries it out quicker. So there it is. And there I am trying to blend everything in. The color is so light. Hopefully this close up will show you. It gives a little bit of a sheen to um, the top of your eyelids, so it sort of highlights things. And yes, you get a really close up look at all my wrinkles. I'm old. If you don't get old, you're dead. That's the way it goes. Live with it. I don't know what it is about everybody getting all hell bent about what generation they were born in. Who cares? Live your life, be happy. If you get along with somebody, oh, that's great. If not, oh wow, move on. And I'm one for complaining all the time, let me tell you. So, and actually, when this close up is pretty good, that shows you it's not a bad look. It really isn't, I don't think. Um, I like the lip gloss. I don't know that I'll use the blush that much, but it highlighted my cheekbones, so maybe it's like the eyeshadow. It gives a highlight and makes everything pop. It was pretty good. And hopefully I'll get the front view and you'll be able to see better. It went on quick. It doesn't feel thick even as I'm sitting here talking to you with the mascara and the eyeliner on. I don't feel like I'm overly made up. So if that does anything for you, I know it does for me. I'm happy about that. There it is. I know it's kind of weird. Give me a thumbs up and we'll see you next time. So